everybody, CindyALewis here, and it is time for the Friday giveaway for March 21st. It's this paper packet right here, and it is so cute. So somebody's going to win that from entries from last Friday's video. Got the URL here. We're going to fetch. We have to put in the keyword, which is, or words, which is Friday giveaway, and I allow you to enter every day. And if you share, you get another entry. And let's see how many entries we have. 90. Wow, you guys really like this paper pad. Well, let's pick a winner. And the winner is C.G. Hundley. Carla, congratulations. That is awesome. Okay, you will love this paper pad. I'm telling you, paper pack. It is so cute. All right, so if you want to enter today's prize for next Friday's giveaway, it is this cute pad here, and it has 24 sheets just like the last one. They're all vintage themed, and they are so cute. A lot of houses, papers, just nice papers to add to your pockets or your journal pages. They're all really, really fun. This is a fun one right here. Really like it. Anyway, so this would be the prize for next Friday's giveaway, March 28th. So you put the words Friday giveaway in your comments below, and you have to be 18 or older, US or Canada only, a subscriber to my channel, because this celebrates my subscribers, and that's how I do it. I do little giveaways here and there to celebrate my subscribers. So to enter for the 3/28/25 next Friday's giveaway, enter the words Friday giveaway in the comments below. And congratulations to C.G. Hundley for winning today's. All right, you guys have a great weekend. I hope you're getting lots done. I've been working on tax stuff, so that's really fun. And have a great day. Bye-bye.